How to get approved for a bank loan? Number 1, maintain a good credit record. Pay your bills on time. Number 2, stable income for 1 to 2 years. That's a big plus. Number 3, prepare complete documents, IDs, payslip, bank statement, and ITR. Number 4, avoid too many loans. Lower them means higher approval chances. Number 5, save your down payments, bigger equity, better approval. A buying property is a big decision, but with the right knowledge, you avoid mistakes and increase your approval chances. If you're planning to invest, message me and let you find the best option for you. Please comment down below and please follow and share for my next vlog. Thank you and God bless.